Welcome back to 13 News this morning. We're joined by Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. We always love when you come because you bring or make food. Well, you bring food, but you also make food along the way. So we're making stuff for kids, and we're having recipes that kids can help with. So what do we need to know when we first step in the kitchen with our kiddos?
I'm so glad you asked, because we want to start out with teaching them good food safety. Make sure they wash their hands. Get ready to start. You know, wear an apron. It protects their clothes.
Oh, that's a good idea.
If they have long hair, tie their hair back. You know, just things to get them thinking in terms of being healthy and doing good things in the kitchen. And then at the end, I don't want to forget to mention this, we want to have them help us clean up, because that's part of it. And while things are in the oven baking, they can do that to get ready for tasting.
Oh, that's good.
We're going to make, I love this. We have several blueberry muffins on our recipe. This has got to be my favorite.
Wow.
It will melt in your mouth. It is so moist and delicious. So, Raina, you are going to do our dry ingredients. Muffins are a great recipe for kids because we're just going to use a bowl and a spoon, and we're going to mix it together. If you have two children like you do, you can have one do the dry ingredients and one do the liquid ingredients.
Oh, that's
like
good.
We're gonna
It prevents some fighting.
So you're going to, we've got the flour, all-purpose flour in here. You're going to mix sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and mix that all together.
Why does she get to go first?
Because I'm better.
Maybe because it takes her longer for us to do that.
There we go.
Now, I've got our soy sour cream in here. You're going to add our soy milk. That's 1/4 cup of soy milk that we're going to add to this. And that is our soy product. So we've got 2 soy products so far. You're going to add the vegetable oil for our muffins here. And that's another soy product. So now we got 3. I think this is why they're so wonderfully moist. And then you're going to add an egg and vanilla. And we just stir that together there. There we go. So easy to do this here. All right. And
I made a little bit of a mess. Sorry.
But, okay, good point.
Somebody got aggressive with this stirring.
What we should do, and this is a perfect example, is when you're working with kids, see how big this bowl is?
Like Raina?
Use a bigger bowl that helps contain all the mixture in it instead of a small bowl like this. So there you go. Now, Raina, go ahead and add it. But that's just a good tip. And we mentioned this morning. This is a wonderful resource for parents. Okay, before we say that, I'm just going to, no, you're good. I'm going to just add the blueberries. Look how big those blueberries are. This is 1.5 cups of blueberries here.
That's,
And we're adding them now with the dry ingredients because that kind of separates them.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now our sheet there, that wonderful resource gives you ideas of what to do with children. The Home Baking Association shared that with the Kansas Soybean Commission. It starts out at age 2 and tells you what are ideas to do in the kitchen with your children at different ages. So I love it because I started having my children in the kitchen when they were in the high chairs, and I give them a measuring cup and spoon to hold. But it's just to have them know.
Isn't that child labor?
How much fun it is. Then we're going to put these in the oven. They're going to bake at is it 350 or 375? We have so many things going
375.
here. 375.
Oh, okay.
I love using this to portion it out in it. It just makes it easy for kids, and they see how much there is. And then there's this wonderful crumb topping to put on the top of it right before they go in the oven. Makes 12 muffins. You'll see them here. I love this recipe. Try it because they're so moist. You'll love it.
All right. And where do we get the recipe?
Go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN. And then be sure to look on our website for all the children's activities that we've got.
All right, Miss Charlene, thank you so much as always, and we'll be back right after this.